Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the final assignment of the year. Now, this specific year I'm filming this, we did not have enough time to get to this assignment given everything going on, but hopefully in the future, when you're seeing this video, you will have time. Now, this is a fun, short, nice, little easy assignment in the year, so even though we didn't have time this year, I'm just going to film this and throw it up there, and anybody who wants to do it can do it. It's only 5 questions. Shouldn't take much time to explain. All right. Percents, decimals, and fractions. This is something I think is really important for everyone to know. It's something that in middle school was attempted to be taught to you, even in upper elementary school. And either some people never learned it or they learned it and then forgot it. So this is just a good refresher. Here's how we compare fractions, decimals, and percents. As humans, we're really good with decimals because of money. Like I know that 0.63, if I have 0.63 of a dollar, that's 63 cents. We're not nearly as good though with fractions, like 3/4. Maybe I eat 3/4 of a pizza or I do 3/4 of a recipe, but fractions we just don't use nearly as much as we use money. So we're going to turn everything into decimal to compare it. 0.63 is already a decimal, that's fine, I'm going to leave it. 3/4, I can go over my decimals calculator and just type that in, 3 divided by 4. It's going to spit out my decimal, 0.75. 58%, to go from a percent to a decimal, I just divide by 100, since percent's always out of 100. And then 3/5 is another fraction that I can just divide. So now all of a sudden, we're comparing 0.63 to 0.75 to 0.58 to 0.6. Reminder that 0.6 is the same as 0.60. So this is like 60 cents, 58 cents, 75 cents, and 63 cents. So which is the smallest? Well, 58 cents. Because all of a sudden you're just comparing 58 to 75 to 60 to 63. 58. It's so much easier that way. So when in doubt, always convert everything to a decimal. Same thing for this next one. 0.64, 3/4, 3/4. Oh, it's the same too. So I've got 64, still have 75, still have 60 and 61. So now we can see that 60 is the lowest, 0.6. You can pause now and try the rest of these on your own, or you can keep watching, because now we get a little bit different. This is my favorite shortcut that I do with multiplication, and this is one of the reasons why I like to teach this at the end, because it's fun. What is 90% of 40? So if I was to write this out mathematically, 90% as a decimal would be 0.90. Of always means multiply, and 40 is 40. So what number is 0.90 times 40? Now I could type that into decimals, or check out the shortcut. If I'm multiplying a percentage by a whole number and they both have zeros, this is what I can do. I could ignore the percent. I could ignore the zeros. I could remember that of means multiply, and I could simply just multiply 9 times 4. And 9 times 4 is 36. And I'll show you that if you write it out the long way, 0.90 times 40, you're still going to get 36. But I love this shortcut, so pause and try it out on the next one. All right, hopefully that's enough time. 0.50 times 30, or 5 times 3, ignoring the zeros, ignoring the percent, it's 15. Bam. Mathematical stud. Getting it done. And finally, 40% of 40. It's the old Wendy's 4 for 4. Ignore the zero, ignore the zero, ignore the percent. 4 times 4, 16. Done. Assignment done. All the assignments done for the year. Even the bonus one. Or if you're doing this in class, it's part of your regular class in the future, just your regular assignment. A nice 100 in the grade book to ease the end of your grade and push you into the summer, hopefully with a smile on your face and confidence in your step. Yay, yay, yay. All right, that was it. This has been your virtual teacher, Dylan, teaching you class away from class. As always, I hope this video finds you happy, healthy, safe, and well. Best wishes to you. Say wishes. Best wishes to you on your day, week, month, summer, everything in your life. It's an honor and a pleasure to be your teacher. Bye-bye.